Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and hands-on with the entire feature overview of a budget tablet in the Android market. Of course, we're talking about finally a new trend in the market with firstly the Realme Pad coming in and then even more affordable option from another brand. This is the first tablet from Motorola in India. This is the Moto Tab G20. This is priced at 10,999, which makes it quite an easy choice in case you have a specific budget in mind, because this isn't going to cost as much as the Realme Pad. Of course, there are quite a lot of differences between the two, and in case if you have a better budget, I would say you know what the choice should be. It should be the Realme Pad, obviously, but the Tab G20 comes in with a few compromise specs, obviously, but the price as well is not as high as what the Realme Pad has. So this is not the final packaging of the Moto Tab G20. The company told that they will be sending a separate full retail unit box later, but this is how the actual tablet would look like. It comes with the Dolby Atmos branding towards the bottom, which obviously means that this has the Dolby Atmos support, the Motorola branding towards the back, and then you have a full metal body, actually the metal back plate, and then you have the camera on the back. It's a 5 megapixel autofocus camera on the back, and it comes with a 1080p video recording support. On the right you have the power button as well as the volume rocker button and also the microphone, and on the bottom you have the USB Type-C port over here, and it would support 10-watt charging for the tablet, and the tablet has a 5100 mAh battery. So this is the USB Type-C port for the charging of the same. On the left you have the card slot, which has the dedicated microSD card slot area, and the internal specs include a 3GB RAM, 32GB storage. The 3GB RAM here is the LPDDR4X RAM, and along with that the storage is 32GB, that's the internal storage, and this comes with Android 11, and it's a pure Android 11 with the basic apps including the Google Kids Space, and that's one of the reasons why the pure Android is a good thing over here, because given the current times, even most of us work from home, and kids are as well at home. Hello, because because there's no offline schools, and that's when the online schooling and everything comes into this picture, and that is where you would actually need a tablet device for easy classes and everything. And now if we take a look at what is offered here in terms of the features and the UI, these are the quick settings, obviously, but let's get directly into the settings. Or before that, these are the pre-installed applications that you find here. Here Google Assistant, FM radio is pre-installed, Google Kids Space, Keep Notes, GPay as well is pre-installed here, and I don't know how GPay would work, but anyway, let's see that later, because GPay needs a SIM card and everything over there. And if we go into the settings, these are the settings, and let's get into the system. Moto Tab G20 and a system update to Android 11. So that is it. Now if we go back here into the other settings, you have the display settings where you have the automatic brightness, which actually means that this has the ambient light sensor for the brightness. You have the adaptive brightness, which is turned off right now, but we can turn it on, and then raise to wake and double tap to wake, so that is also present as the gesture features over here. And apart from that, you have digital well-being and parental controls as well. So for the parental controls, you have add content restrictions and set other limits to help your child balance the screen time. So in case your kids obviously would start using a tablet device or any smart gadget these days, they don't leave it for hours, so you can actually limit that usage by using that parental controls and give them about an hour of YouTube Kids, or that way you can actually organize or keep it scheduled over there. Now inside the box package, apart from that, apart from the tablet itself, what we're going to see is the USB Type-C cable, and along with that you will have the charger. The charger should be a 5V 2A charger, but let me check that as well. Yes, this is the 5V 2A adapter that is given inside the box package itself, so that is going to help charge the tablet. It would obviously take some more time than the regular smartphones or tablets as well, because this is a 5100 mAh battery on this one, and charging that with 10 watt would take some good amount of time. Now with the camera on the front, you have a 2 megapixel fixed focus camera for the selfies, or more than that, it would be for the video calling or the classes where every day the students have to actually be present with their cameras turned on. That's where this tablet would come handy with that front camera. Now on the back, as I said, this is a 5 megapixel camera with the autofocus, and you have the videos at 1080p with 30 fps, and that is with the rear camera. With the front one, you can take 720p videos at 30 fps. Now for kids, as mentioned here, it's not just the kids space but also the YouTube Kids, which is pre-installed over here, and this sound recorder as well pre-installed, and these are the only apps, and that's it. Dolby Atmos is given as an app, and you can actually customize the sound output. It's a single speaker given over here, and this is on the top of the tablet, where you have a speaker as well as the headphone jack. And now if we talk about the internal specs or what is powering this tablet, it's the Helio P22T. So P22 already is a known chipset, but the T moniker here towards the end means that this is customized for tablet devices. And here the Helio P22T comes with an octa-core CPU, and also it has 2.3 GHz as the maximum clock speed. And the tablet device comes with an 8-inch diagonal size, and it's an IPS TDDI display with 10-point multi-touch, and the screen resolution is 1280 into 800 pixels. And again, coming back to the physical aspect, this tablet weighs around 305 grams, so it doesn't feel actually that heavy when compared to some of the smartphones, actually, because some of the smartphones with 6.67 inches or somewhere around that come with around 210 grams of weight. This is 305, not a lot when compared to those smartphones, because obviously this is a different category. You won't put this in your pocket, you would only use it when you want to and take it out of your bag. And now comparing this with the actual tablet, which is doing very well or is offering a very good performance and everything, this is the Realme Pad. This is actually better in terms of the display, in terms of the design, in terms of the audio output with the quad speaker setup, and the multiple microphones for the audio intake. So it actually is better, but it's priced more. So that's where it's going to be an easy decision for you based on the budget. If you have a lesser budget and you don't really want to rely on a performance of a tablet, then the Moto G20 is going to be one of the options for you. But then if you are actually looking for an overall very good tablet device under 20,000, then the Realme Pad should be the choice for you. And the Realme Pad comes with the Helio G80 chipset, while the Moto Tab G20 comes with the Helio P22 chipset. So these are the differences. Obviously we'll be doing a full-fledged comparison between the two tablet devices, but this was just a quick gist of how you should look at things here, because these are coming in different price ranges, and these are coming in very different specifications if we talk about every spec over here. So that's it, guys. This was a quick unboxing and a hands-on with the Moto Tab G20. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.